All right. 2021 GTX 300 limited on Friday. I've already purchased the Riva Intake Great and Pro Series sponsons. Should I put the mods on before I ever put the ski in the water? You can. It's not going to hurt anything. By the way, put the catch can on there too. Spend the extra $50 and get a catch can. Do it. And then after 5 hours, put a scum on it. You'll love it. Those are the 4 best things you could possibly do to that ski. Scum, catch can, Intake Great, sponsons. 100% reversible. 100% reversible. Does not void any warranty because you can take it off before you take it to the dealer. 76, 77 miles an hour all day long. Handles great. Tracks great. It'll still bow hunt a little bit, but not so much like you would stock. When I talk to guys who have the sponsons at 4 and the Intake Great, they're like, unless you're in the soup, unless you're in really, really rough water, it really doesn't bow hunt that bad. But the nice thing is that you can toggle down the trim. You can actually trim it down to one below neutral, get the bow back down, and you can really hook. You can get your shoulders over the bars and really hook. I see guys like Randy Cabrera and the what's the girl out of Texas? She had an RX-TX, still has it, but she went out and got a purple RX-PX. You watch her videos, she's got the trim all the way up like this. Thing's doing this the whole time with the bow up. Unless you're a fishing trawler, you should not be doing this. All right. At plane, neutral, okay. You want to go around corners? Get down. Do you want to know what every racer does? Every racer has the bow all the way down on an RX-PX. All the way down, and the sponson set all the way down. They got Riva sponsons, work sponsons. They drop those blades all the way down, and they drop the nose all the way down. And the guys who are successful racing any RX-PX, they're trimmed bow down 100% because a ski turns on its nose. And then you wonder when you see videos of the Florida ski guys, and they go out there and there's one of their one of their friends who didn't negotiate a corner and he's 10 feet into the weeds. I'm not blaming anyone, but it's like they've got their trim up. Bet you they've got the trim up. It doesn't turn it doesn't turn back here. It wants to turn on its nose. Anyway, hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.